In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to log out of Botim on all devices. Staying logged in on shared or previously used devices increases the risk of someone else accessing your account without your knowledge. To log out all devices, simply head to Botim. You want to tap right here to access your profile page. Now head to this option of Account. On this page, select Manage My Account. You will then head to the option of Trust Devices. Here you will see all devices that are actively logged into your Botim account. Now to log them out, simply click right here on Remove All Other Trusted Devices. All devices except the one you're using will automatically get logged out of your account successfully. And if you notice any suspicious logins, it's better to change your account password immediately. Well, that's how easy it is to log out of Botim on all devices. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.